This video explains what Excel is. In simple terms, Excel is a program for working with information laid out in a grid. It is used to organize data and perform calculations. Excel exists to handle structured information. It helps you manage lists, work with numbers, and calculate results in a clear and flexible way. Excel is not used for writing long documents. It is not a slide presentation. It is also not a web page. You do not need to memorize this. You only need to recognize when information is arranged in rows and columns. You usually use Excel for budgets, grades, lists, and calculations. It appears whenever information needs to be organized and worked with in a table. This diagram organizes the idea of Excel. Use it as a reference if needed. When you open a Microsoft program to work with data in rows and columns, that program is Excel.